Guys, John Sager, your master fat loss coach and body transformation expert. And I'm here today with two principles that you need to implement in order to be successful. And it's something that you really need to take to heart and actually start doing right away, because without these two principles, you're going to go nowhere in life. You're not going to progress anywhere than what you are, or any more than what you are right now. And I kind of sat there and pondered on these. Not really pondered on them, but they came to me while I was doing my workout today. It's something that I didn't really want to do. I work out with one of my good friends, and it's just something that I wasn't in the mood to do today. And right now, after that workout, I feel great, but I realize there's two things that we have to do each and every day in order to be successful. And this goes and applies almost anything in life. But the number one is you have to take action. You can't just go out there and say you're going to go do something, because you're going to do absolutely nothing if you just keep sitting there and saying you're going to do this, or you're saying that you need to do that. You have to take action. It's like the great saying says, is you can go out there and think positive all day long, and you can say your grass is green and your grass is green, but listen, if you don't water it, if you don't go out there and fertilize, that shit ain't going to grow. It's going to be dead. And that's basically what's going to happen to us. If we don't consistently take action towards our goals that we want in life, we're going to go nowhere. We're going to die. We're just going to be lonely. We're going to get absolutely nothing out of life. So we got to continually take action in order to be successful. So one of the biggest things that most people that are successful, it's one of the biggest things that they all have in common is they all take action. And they don't sit there and slack off or just think about doing it. They do it right away. They take massive action to complete that goal, to accomplish that goal. So you have to go out there and you have to take action. Quit being a lazy ass and go out there and do something that you're supposed to be doing. You know you got to do it. Just go out there and do it. And the second thing is I realized that right around the first set through is, you know what, you have to be focused. If you're not focused, you're not going to get basically the goal that you want the way you want it. So you basically got to go out there and you got to set your mind towards this. You have to get completely focused on what it is that you want. Take action and go get it. I started that first rep out, or that first set out, and my mind wasn't there. I didn't do what I should have been doing. The weight wasn't on there. Just the form was piss poor, and it's because I wasn't completely focused on what it was that I was doing at that moment. So when you're taking action, you got to continually, or you have to be basically focused on what it is that you're doing in that moment, and be focused on what that result's going to be as well, so you are successful. So I just want to give you these two little tips. These are definitely two major principles to being successful, and you can apply these to any areas in your life. So definitely go out there, take action, quit being a lazy ass, get off your ass, get away from the TV, go out there and do what you know you need to do. You know you want to lose weight, get out there and do what you got to do. You know you got to eat healthy, you know you got to work out, get out there and do it. Quit saying you're going to do it. Quit saying you're going to wait till the first of the year to do it, because all you're going to do is keep prolonging it and procrastinating. You're going to be a fat ass. So don't do that. Go out there, start taking action, get completely focused on what it is that you want and what you want out of life. Once you're focused, once you start taking action, you'll be amazed by the success that you have. So listen, I don't want to take up too much time. I'm about ready to go get me some food at my place I'm going to be at. I got to definitely go eat. I'm starving. So listen, until next time, John Sager's here, your fat loss expert and definitely your body transformation coach. Or I just said that wrong, but listen, I'm just tired from working out. So listen, until next time, make sure you go out there, get off your ass, go take some action, get focused, and let's start achieving those goals and getting that body that you really, truly deserve.